Hey guys, it's Teacher Kristen. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and my classroom with Vipkid. So I decided to make a walkthrough of how to register for Vipkid. Basically, I have this. When you log into Vipkid, this is the first page. You type in your email, your password, and then you do sign up. And I did that already, so this is the second page. You basically type in your info, your highest level of education. To work with Vipkid, you have to have minimum bachelor's degree. If you do not, I'm not sure if they will hire you. That's what I've heard. But I have my bachelor's degree in science. How much teaching experience do you have? These are the options. Basically, you press next. Okay, so I went ahead and just filled out this information with fake information. This is not accurate whatsoever, nor does it apply to me or anyone else. I pressed next. It said, welcome Paul, just a few more questions. It asked me if I've ever taught. I would put no, I guess. And then it asked me this, and then my referral code. For my referral code, if you have a referral code from another teacher from Vipkid, go ahead and use it here. If you do not have one, feel free to use my referral code. It is right here, CRIST0180. So I'm going to press copy. It was successfully copied. I will include my referral code down below as well, a link as well as the referral code. If you press the link, it'll take you directly to Vipkid. If not, you log into vipkid.com at the top, and then you just type in my referral code when it asks you for it. I press submit. So it says, why am I interested? Let's say I love teaching. I want to do it online. I'm just not guessing, but just doing randomly. Let's say I have a part-time. How soon can I work? Next 2 weeks. Let's say as soon as possible. How many hours a week do I want to work? Let's say this, 10 to 12. And then it says, what are my financial goals with Vipkid? Let's say between 500 to 1,000 a month. Okay, lets me go to the next. And then now it says time to book an interview. After you book, it'll take, you'll be taken to the preparation material. So let's say today is the 16th of March. Let's say I want to do it at 1 p.m. today. Am I sure? Yes. So this is what you're going to see. You're going to see where you can record your demo lesson, a 5-minute self-recorded demo lesson that you can complete on your own time. Or they recommend that you do this one. You schedule a live demo lesson, which is what I just did for 1 p.m. today. And then you can read it here. It's a 30-minute lesson. I'm going to demonstrate my teaching skills and basically pretend that I'm teaching, not pretend, but I'm going to be teaching a student. But instead of a real student from Vipkid, it'll be one of Vipkid's representatives. So they will be acting as a student. So there's a welcome time for welcome and then Q&As that if I have any questions, I can get answered. And the representative from Vipkid will basically just tell me a little snippet about Vipkid in 5 minutes. Then the demo lesson is 5 minutes long. So it's only 5 minutes, and basically that is my time to show the teacher, or not the teacher, to show the student what they're going to be learning in today's lesson. So with that, that's when I would use props such as these. I would show them my classroom. They may see the Chinese flag in the corner. They can see my classroom, my setup, and I would tell them my name, Teacher Kristen. And that's basically going to be in another video. I'll show you how to schedule or prepare for your demo lesson. So when I'm ready, I can say, oh, actually, here's a little snippet of the demo lesson.
Hello.
Hi.
My name is Amanda. What is your name?
So basically you ask them about their name and how old they are. It's gonna show it to me. I don't think it's gonna make me fast forward. Oh, there we go. So it shows vocab words to the students, sad, sad, he is sad. And then you show them words like this for phonics. And basically you just prepare, and they give you a review, so you can review the demo slides, and you can watch this video as well to get some inspiration. There's a practice room. You can go to the practice room and basically practice how you want to teach your class. And I just pressed the practice room, so we're gonna see that right now. Here's the practice room. This is when they do their 5-minute introduction. And this is when I say all about me. Hi, my name is Teacher Kristen. And I would unlock my camera. You're gonna see me recording. And I would unlock my microphone right here. And then right here, the other representative would be online. And they're probably gonna say they're going to be a 5-year-old student. And yeah, so you guys go back and forth. That's basically the demo. I'm gonna get out of here. Exit classroom. That is the demo. So once you pass the demo, then you will have your certification and your contract, and basically you're going to be a hired individual contractor with Vipkid. So in another video, I will show you guys how the demo goes. Not exactly how, because I didn't record my own demo, but what it would look like and what I needed to fix, and just more information about the demo lesson. So those are the steps of how to start your Vipkid teacher application process. If you have any questions, just ask me down below and I will get to answer them. Bye guys. Bye, talk soon.